everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Also, welcome if you are new. My name is Kayla Boo. Thank you for tuning into this YouTube video today. And today for you guys, I am going to open up all of my Mini Brands Series 5 capsules with you guys. I thought this would be an interesting type of YouTube video to film with you guys, and I've accumulated so many Mini Brands Series 5 ball capsules lately, and I haven't opened any of them yet except for one. So I'll show you the one that I already opened and what I got inside of it. But today on this YouTube video, I'm going to open up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Mini Brands Series 5 ball capsules with you guys. And if you like Mini Brands and you're going to enjoy this YouTube video, I'm just going to get started and open up all of my Mini Brands Series 5 ball capsules with you guys. So without further ado, let's just get started. So this is the first Mini Brands Series 5 ball capsule, and the other day I opened it just to see what was inside of it, so I'm going to show you guys what I received inside of this one that I already opened. First up is this Jelly Belly buttered popcorn. Next up is these Jelly Belly Sours. Next up is Minute Maid Zero Sugar Fruit Punch. Next up is Pace Picante Mild Salsa. And then the last one in this bowl is Campbell's Chicken Noodle Soup Can. So that is what I got inside of the Mini Brands Series 5 ball capsule that I already opened up the other day. Now I'm going to open up all of the other 8 Mini Brands Series 5 ball capsules with you guys. And this is the first one I'm going to open up with you guys because it feels lucky to me. And I'm excited to show you guys everything that I receive in all these balls that I open up on YouTube for you guys. If you guys enjoy Mini Brands or have seen Mini Brands at Target or wherever else they sell them at, you would know that Mini Brands is capsules that have tiny grocery store brand food items that you typically see in a grocery store. So I thought I would open all my other 8 ones on YouTube video with you guys because I thought this would be an interesting YouTube video to film with you guys. And just ahead of time, if you guys don't like hearing the noise of this wrapping paper that comes on these balls, I'm very sorry for opening it up on camera, but I thought I would just open it up with you guys instead of doing it ahead of time. So this is the first ball that I'm opening up with you guys. And each ball comes with a collector's guide. And we're going to open up each pack one by one and see what I get. So first up is these 22 Minis Chupa Chups. Next up is Mini Brands Money. And then some kind of strawberry flavored gum. I'm not sure what brand that is. Next up is just a Mini Brands shopping bag. Some Mini Brands capsules, you'll get a mixture of all different food items, some shopping bags, and other stuff. Next up is Powerade Sports Drink, the blue kind. And this is the last pack in this bowl. Edge Shaving Cream. On to the next bowl. So, I would love for you guys to comment down below if you've ever purchased Mini Brands and what your favorite series is, because I've collected all different mini brands series, like series 1. I only have a couple from series 1, and then I have most of series 2 mini brands, and then I have series 3 mini brands. I also have a couple of the series 4 mini brands. So I would love it if you guys have ever purchased mini brands before, if you would comment down below what your favorite series of mini brands is, because I would love to know. And if you've ever heard of any other mini brands besides like the foodie mini brands, like I know there's just the regular mini brand foods like this one, but there's also Disney mini brands, toy mini brands, there's gross mini brands, and they also have foodie mini brands, and foodie mini brands came out with a series 2 mini brands. So yeah, there's all different types of mini brands, and I've purchased about every single type of mini brand except for toys. So the packaging is hard to open on some of these. I would get scissors, but I'm sitting down right now and I don't feel like getting it up. So sorry this is taking a little bit longer to open up, but I'd rather do it this way and open up all of them one by one and show you guys individually what I get. So this will be a lengthy YouTube video. So if you guys stay to the end, and while you're watching this, go grab a snack, your favorite drink, or whatever, because this is going to be a pretty lengthy YouTube video, I would say. So let's open this one up. And some of my mini brands, I do get repeats. So I got another repeat of the Chupa Chups minis. This one. I got my second repeat of the Powerade sports drink. I got, if this is all a repeat, that's okay, because I'm hoping for different ones and the other ones that I still have left to open. Another mini brands shopping bag. Another Jelly Belly Sours. And then another repeat. So this was basically a couple of repeats that I already have. Edge Shaving Cream. On to the next ball. I wish there was an easier way to open these balls because they can be hard to open at sometimes. These balls can be hard to open at times, but it's worth the wait because I like opening mini brands. Yeah. Comment down below if you've ever heard of the Foodie mini brands. Foodie mini brands is a mini brand where it has restaurant foods in it. And I've purchased the regular Foodie mini brands, and they came out with a series 2, and I also have a couple of those capsules. So, got the next ball open. So we're going to see what's inside. Ooh. I got a Dutch coin. Next up, this is the tiniest thing I've ever seen. It's some kind of candy, and I'm not sure how to pronounce that brand. Next up, this really pretty color pink nail polish. Yes. Next up is this Minute Maid orange juice. Minute Maid orange juice. And then, next up is a can of Campbell's chicken noodle soup. On to the next ball. Some of these balls are hard to open, like I said. See? That's what I don't like about these balls. Some of them are hard to open, but I really like collecting mini brands. I could go get my scissors to make this video a little bit faster, but I'm sitting down and I don't feel like getting up to get my scissors. So like I said, this is a pretty lengthy video. So I would recommend go grabbing a snack or your favorite drink so you have something to eat or drink while you're watching this YouTube video. Got the next ball open. We're going to open what's inside of this ball. So, next up, Fruitella Summer Fruits. So, the Fruitella Summer Fruits. Cape Cod Original Sea Salt Chips. I don't have this one yet. Pepperidge Farms Pirouette Chocolate Fudge, some kind of chocolate fudge cookies. This is a FedEx box, and I think there's something inside this FedEx box, so I'm going to try to open it up and see what I got inside of it. Ooh, I believe there's something inside of it. Yes. The miniature version of the Slurpee. That's pretty cool. Next up, oh, this is really cool. It's a can of Coca-Cola. I really like this one. On to the next ball. If you guys like long YouTube videos like these, please comment down below. If you guys like longer YouTube videos like these, please comment down below and let me know, because this is going to be a long video, longer than usual. And I would like to know your opinions on how long you like the YouTube videos on my YouTube channel to be. Some are a little short, some are a little bit longer. This one in particular, because I decided to open all of my mini brands up with you guys because I'm trying to clean my room up, and I haven't opened all these mini brand series 5 balls up until today on this YouTube video with you guys. I'm just trying to open these all up because I've accumulated so many, like I've said. So that's why we're doing it all in one video, and I don't have to worry about opening them by myself on my free time. Just doing it all in this one YouTube video today. Got that ball open. Have a lot of trash to pick up after this. Ooh, yes. I got one of the UPS Express boxes. And this comes with an item, so let's see what item I got. Ooh, this is really cool. Miniature can of Pringles, the original kind. So I think it's cool because this mini brands series 5 has boxes, and you open up the box, and inside the box it has a miniature version of some sort of item. Ooh, this is cool. A bottle of Sprite. This one, Scotch tape runner. Next up, Campbell's Sauces Skillet Chicken Marsala. It's really interesting. Another Campbell's soup can. Let's see which one this is. Campbell's Original Spaghetti. SpaghettiOs. That's really cool. I have 3 more Mini Brands Series 5 balls to open up. If you have stayed till this long and watched the whole video, please comment down below in the comment section a cupcake emoji, because that's the first one that popped into my head. Some Mini Brand bowls are easier to open up than others. And I really like that each Mini Brand series that they have come out with, they put different packaging on it. The packaging on Mini Brand Series 5 capsules are purple, which I really like. So, Banana Boat Kids Sport Sunscreen. A can of Minute Maid Fruit Punch. Kettle Brand Potato Chips, Sea Salt. Scotch tape. And then a can of Campbell's Chunky Beef with Country Vegetables soup. I really like this. I have 2 more Mini Brand balls left to open up with you guys, so we're almost done. This just takes a while to do because I'm opening up every single one and taking the wrapping off. It maybe would have been a bit easier just to have the wrapping already off and then popping them open, but I wanted to do it this way. So, if you have Mini Brands, comment down below in the comment section what kind of Mini Brands you have, whether it's the Mini Brands food, the foodie Mini Brands, or like the Disney Mini Brands, toy Mini Brands, or if you have gross Mini Brands, which if you don't know what those are, I think that's pretty new as well. Ooh, this looks delicious. Pepperidge Farm German Chocolate Layer Cake. Another can of the Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. Some of these Mini Brands comes with money. I'm not into the money, so I'm not going to keep it. Another thing of the Jelly Belly Sours. If I've gotten repeats of my other Mini Brands series brands. If I get a repeat, I just keep it because it's great to have multiples. Banana Boat Baby Mineral Sunscreen. It's really cute. And then I got another one of the Minute Maid Zero Sugar Fruit Punch bottles. I'm on to my last Mini Brands ball with you guys, so this is my last one that I'm going to be opening up on this YouTube video today. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this YouTube video so far, because it's a pretty lengthy YouTube video, because this is a pretty lengthy YouTube video and I'm excited to post it on YouTube. after this YouTube video, I have a bunch of trash to clean up. That'll be fun. Not really though, but if it is what it is. I like cleaning up, and I'm trying to clean my room up, so opening these all up on a YouTube video, that would be fun. I thought would be fun, and it is. I'm already at 27 minutes. This one is a hard ball to open. Let it be known that the last ball will be hard to open. I would get my scissors, but I'm already sitting down and I don't want to get off my butt. If you know that feeling, you know. Okay, finally got the last ball open. Finally got the last ball open. So, here's the first pack. Ooh, I got the big version of the Slurpee. I got the big version of the Slurpee. So now I have the big and the miniature version. I got another one of the Scotch Box Lock tape. I got another one of the Campbell's Chunky Beef with Country Vegetables soup can. Hopefully these last two items are not repeats, but if they are, that's fine. Ooh, this is really cool. It's toast cheese peanut butter crackers, and I used to take these crackers to work all the time. The last pack in this very last Mini Brands ball is a bowl of chicken flavor ramen noodles. So that's all of my Mini Brands balls that I have to open up with you guys today on this YouTube video. If you like Mini Brands and you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe. And if you'd like me to do a Mini Brands collection, I'd be willing to do that for you guys. Just comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.